Today is gonna be epic. To the dirt. All right, loading up for our next adventure. We got our Go Treads. Gonna tie them down. So what I do is I have my tie-on straps to go over and under my little slide-out tray. Let's put these on there. Get them all cinched down. And there we have it. It's not gonna move around and bounce around on the trails. Got the doggos. So when we go on road trips, this is how we have our dog bed set up. This fits both dogs. They like sleeping here, hanging out. They rate it 10 out of 10. All right, we got our headlights. We got our game plan for today. It's very important to have planned out before you head out to Citrus. It is 50,000 acres of land, ton of trails, great hiking, adventure all around. We'll see you there. All right, got our coffee, ready to hit the trails.
Woo!
So we're gonna go into Trail 16, which is off the Mutual Mine entrance, and do a whole lap, stopping over at notable spots, stopping at the caves, taking the dogs out for a hike. It's gonna be sick. You can hunt out here, you can hike out here, fish, all kinds of outdoor activities. Of course, our favorite is off-roading. So first things first, gonna go ahead and turn off the traction control. All right, here we go. So we're gonna take Trail 16. This goes into the main part of Citrus. And we're gonna hang a left onto Trail 7. Ozzy, what do you think? This is Ozzy's first time over at Citrus.
But not his first time off-roading.
No, he's a pro now. Getting sandy.
Ooh.
Oh, got another truck coming. This guy's just sitting there. Wow.
Ozzy. Oh.
Back on the trails. Trail 16. We like to use paper maps since they're extremely reliable. Don't rely on a GPS. To 7. Okay, that was 16A back there. All right. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're still on Trail 16. I'm not sure what that little cutoff back there. That's probably 16A, which is the alternate route. Horse droppings back there.
Gross.
That's what I'm saying.
Whoa.
This is the road less traveled.
Hiking in a car. What was that?
Sticks.
Oh, it's more like a day at the spa. Oh.
It's like all washed out. Alright, so up here is Trail 7, looks like.
Whoa, this looks cool.
There's a horse out here.
Oh, the boys, they wanted to come say hi.
Hi.
Are you guys having fun? Oh.
One of the many activities that are allowed out at Citrus. Yep. You can come camping, hunting, fishing, off-roading, horseback riding, hiking. I guess you can sit here on the trails and block them off if you want to.
That's rude. Where's the guy?
I don't know.
Climbing a tree somewhere?
It's like way over there. Please go on 9.
Please go 9, please go 9, please go 9. Is he gonna go 9? No.
Drive real
He's
slow.
not. He's not gonna go 9.
What do you think, dude? On Trail 18, heading towards Trail 11. Should be some cool stuff to see out here. It's my first time on this trail, I believe. That cool little spot over there. Love when trees do that, they go over and touch the ground. What do you think about citrus?
I love citrus. The trees are amazing. There's so many different kinds of trees. And they're all like really tall and skinny.
So sick out here.
Yeah.
Ozzy, what do you think? He's just smiling.
Ozzy's
He's
a
just
happy
loving
boy.
it.
You happy boy.
Man, it is. This is the dream. This is all conservation land that's open to the public. It is awesome. Never been on this one. So pretty back there. Yeah, wanna go hike up there real quick?
Sure.
All right, no luck on this hike. Off to the next trail.
These boys are so exhausted from our hour hike to find the sand pits
That weren't even there.
that weren't even there. It was all part of a cruel joke. I've been in worse.
Yeah.
This is cool. The trees.
All right, so we're on 18A right now. We're gonna go over and take a right onto 11B. We're gonna head south towards Trail 22 and then hit the caves. How does that sound?
To the dirt.
Oh,
Oh,
be
Long
right here.
Johnson.
Oh, Long Johnson.
Aesthetic.
Deer.
Oh dear, yeah. Oh dear.
So we just saw a bunch of white-tailed deer running around the trails. Now I just got to see some gopher tortoises, some red-cockered woodpeckers, fox squirrels, and what else?
A bear.
A bear. And then we'll have our full list of things we've seen on the trails. All right, where are we headed?
West on Trail 22 towards the caves.
All right, look, we're out the caves now.
Ooh, I'm so excited.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Much of easy.
Oh yeah. I like the way you did that.
It's called skill. You could do it.
A skill.
Yeah. I was taking a leak out here one time. Thought we were all alone. And a guy walked around the corner with a shotgun because he was hunting and
Shot you?
saw me peeing. We're at the entrance to the trail to the caves. Obviously it's blocked off so vehicles can't drive back there. I'm taking the boys for the first time to the caves.
Tally ho. Let's go.
So there's at least 37 caves that are discovered out here, but only a few open to the public. That's because, as you'll see, people have a tendency to vandalize the caves, do terrible things to them. What kind of prints are those? Pigs?
I don't know, but I hope the dogs don't add to them.
So we'll be going to Dame's Cave, which is the biggest and most accessible cave, but there are several along this trail system.
So it's a half-mile walk from where we parked to the cave, but it's definitely worth it. And it's an easy hike, so you can do it. And there's pretty butterflies everywhere. I just saw a neon yellow one.
Yeah, you're not walking through too much brush or not gonna get bugs on you. It's a closed road, so it's as wide as a road. Fairly easy, not too bad. They've cleared all the trees out that were blocking this road off. For a while we had to jump over the trees or crawl underneath them. Good jump. Good jump. Easy peasy.
Yes, it is.
It's a cool shirt.
Thank you.
Ozzy just met his miniature version, his little friend.
His girlfriend.
What was her name?
Willow.
Willow. So they came up from Lecanto Highway, which is another way to access the caves if you don't want to go off-roading. Very easy, hike. It's a half mile either direction. Here's one of the first caves here on the left. This is the Michigator Cave or Danger Cave, one of those. We've been in there. Cut to the clip.
Ooh,
Nice place to cool off.
for sure. Ooh, tight squeeze.
Going deeper. Used to be a sign here telling you all about it.
Hey.
All right, I'll go down and you can hand me one of them. Just watch out, it might be very slippery. Ozzy, come this way, look at it. You want me to pick you up? Okay, come on, come on. All right, got the boy. Okay. Huh? I got a GoPro. But not my big camera.
Cool.
And that's why it's now called Vandal Cave. Come on, buddy. Come on. You can do it.
You gotta be a climbing dog.
Hiking with the boys. All right, Ozzy, it's your first time to the caves. What do you think?
I loved it.
Oscar, what about you? All right, we just hit the caves. We're on Trail 22. We're gonna head to Trail 15 and head north, but first, descend it slowly.
You're good on my side. Whoa, nice.
Cake.
Pizza.
Piece of it. Now we're on Trail 15. Trail 15 is kind of gnarly. I think I'm gonna bypass this mud hole right here.
Good thinking.
We're getting stuck today. Not a good day to get stuck, if you ask me.
At least we have our go treads.
Do you ever go treads? I don't think they float. All right, so this is Trail 15. We're heading north along the western boundary of Citrus, heading towards Trail 16, which I think has a washout on it. I know 14 does, but I'm not sure 16 looks pretty washouty to me. To the dirt. That was violent.
Yeah. Nice.
We're going right. Just hit some washouts on Trail 16. Now we're gonna head east, back towards the Mutual Mine, and hit the road and get some lunch. It's been a fun day. I think my crew's all worn out. I know I'm worn out.
I'm ready for grub. Woo!
Supercharger.
Supercharger speed.
All right, that was a quick tour of Citrus Wildlife Management Area. About to hit some mud right here. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, ring the notification bell. Until next time, to the dirt.